And here we are again. I have finished the boat trailer restoration. Thought about doing the boat first, but I figured it's got to have something to sit on, and when the boat is all pretty, I want instant gratification. So we've got new lights, new paint, new chrome. Same old wheels. I polished them up. Actually, my friend Ed polished them up. I can't take full credit for that. They came out nice. All lights work, of course. New wiring, new winch, new dust cap for the jack. Boy, the boat boat really looks decrepit now, doesn't it? Trailer is done. It's off the list. My list never gets empty, but it is diminished by 1 now. So there you have it. I'll throw a few photos up there so you can guys see how we got here from where we were. Does that make any sense? I think it does. All right, follow along as I guide you through the process. May not be the right process, but it's the process I used. I'd say it's certainly good enough for who it's for, wouldn't you? I've already drilled these holes for the new lights. It's so bright out here I can barely see. I doubt if you guys can see it.
I can't see. I'm just pointing the camera in this direction.
I literally cannot see. Somebody painted the trailer black and now you can't see where it goes.
Yeah, to your right.
Like that?
Just a tiny smidgen. Okay.
I think this light looks pretty bitchin'.
It does look. It looks really good with the black paint. Really nice contrast.
Yeah.
Now without your fenders, it looks kind of weird, but other than that.
Yeah, the fenders are a problem.
You're gonna put mud flaps instead, right?
It's real helpful to already test fit everything before you paint it. That way, when it's all painted, it's instant gratification.
Mm-hmm. I'm nodding my head with that now.
What do you think about that, huh?
Yeah.
Now, 3 more red ones.
Yeah. Good thing your dogs are on high alert right now.
Oh yeah, it's real important they bark at everybody.
They got to pretty much bark at a leaf coming through.
I don't know if I mentioned, but these lights are brand new. They look old, but this is a very traditional style of light, so you can still buy them.
Yeah.
At least for now, they're not LED. Everything on this is incandescent.
It's basically 1971.
Yeah.
All over again.
There's no LEDs on new fall emissions.
No. Old school mag lights.
I guess we should put the cord through first, huh?
Yeah. That's just a little detail you don't really have to.
Is it called a cord if it's just a wire?
I don't know. That's a good question.
I don't think cord is the right word.
If anybody can answer that, let us know. World's longest screw.
Yep, darn fine thread too.
Not fine as good, but
all right,
fine
there
as
you
a
go,
lot.
huh?
There you go.
We got the red, and we got the amber.
Got the flamber.
Yeah. And I'll put the other ones on without involving you people, just to spare you the boredom of it, but I'll bring you back when there's more to show.
Imagine you're a boat and you need somewhere to sit on a boat trailer. How is this magic done? Let's find out.
Hi, Lana.
Doesn't look like a very good burrito you're making there.
This is not the best burrito, but I am fine-tuning my boatyard skills. Apparently in boating, these are called the bunk boards.
Gonna send our boat to camp.
I imagine if it was just a video of the freaking staple gun, people would be really excited about that, huh?
I mean, they would really experience what your life is like. How many staples have you put in?
Oh, by the way, don't even bother with this thing. The novelty of this machine wears off very quickly, as does the novelty of this machine. If you're a pro and you use these every day, I have a new appreciation for you because my hand is killing me.
Have you got a blister yet?
Not yet, but it will have.
How many staples have you put in?
I didn't count them, but it's more than you think. So then I found the easiest way to make a nice little end on these bunk boards is trim off about 1.25 inches.
You know what our neighbors are doing right now?
A pool party.
Yeah.
And they did not invite us.
Oh. Could be devoting all of this time and energy not to the Nova or to bunk boards for the boat.
Yeah, but look at
But
this.
to-
Look at how nice
to a
this.
pool.
Oh, look at this. See, we have a little air right there. We have to get this down tight.
It's going to be great how we'll have a really nice boat and a really nice boat trailer just in time for winter. Do you know what your demonstrating this skill to me means, Tom?
What?
You're wrapping all the holiday presents this year.
I'm pretty good at wrapping things.
Tom Yeager, professional rapper.
Yeah, we'll bring you guys back after I get, I don't know, another 100 staples in.
Look at that. Amazing. Do you cut this little guy out there? Oh, some real action-packed footage, Tom.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That. There you have it.
Amazing. Amazing work.
Yeah.
Jerry, what do you think?
The good
Oh,
news
hi,
is I'll never live long enough for this to rot again.
Very fine work. Jerry thinks so.
Looks legitimate, doesn't it? All the lights appear to be working. Even the license plate. There you have it. I find myself wanting to add more lights now. Holy moly.